Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we learn 10 lines on my favorite food biryani. So let's start. My favorite food is biryani. Biryani is a delicious Indian seasoned rice dish. It can be made with meat, fish, or vegetables. I love to eat biryani with green chutney and raita. My mom prepares tasty biryani for me. The main ingredients used in biryani are rice, meat, spices, etc. Biryani has gained popularity in the state of Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. I love to eat Hyderabadi chicken biryani. Hyderabadi chicken biryani is world famous. All my family members enjoy to eating biryani. So friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.